Who has the Knicks this time? Nick has the Knicks. Nick has the Knicks. You like that one, Wyatt? And then AD, I don't know what year is this. Oh, it's kind of early on, but we'll put him in a top loader for the Pelicans. Nick has the Knicks. That's a Wyatt special right there. Got a Klay Thompson parallel and a Terrence Ferguson for the Thunder. Nice little parallel. And Terrence Ferguson. Right, Wyatt? Oh, man. You and your brother. Troublemakers. All right, D'Angelo Russell. Malcolm Brogdon. I got another parallel behind this. Nikola Vucevic. Ooh, a Bam Adebayo for the Heat. There you go, Aaron. Nice little Bam. And another... oh, that's my favorite player. Alonzo Mourning. From back in the day. So nice Bam, however you want to call it, insert for Nick. And then a D-Wade, Shaq, and an Alonzo Mourning. That was the very first card I got. I had the Alonzo Mourning Flare Ultra Series 1 rookie card, and that's what started collecting back in the day. OG Anunoby for the Raptors. Ooh. Ooh. Thought I saw something. Dirk Nowitzki, Kyle Lowry, TJ Warren, Manu Ginobili, status quo, Allen Iverson, and oh, I thought it was a Tatum, but it is not. It's not a Tatum. You got an AI parallel for the 76ers, a Manu Ginobili for the Spurs. All right, continuing. Rodney Hood for the Jazz. Marcus Morris for the Celtics at the time. Chandler Parsons. And Sterling Brown for the Bucks. Oh, interesting. And a Giannis Chris Middleton Factions? Is that what it says? Factions for the Bucks, back to back. And a Wayne Selden Jr. All right, here's a Giannis. Giannis for the Bucks. Who's got the Bucks? Aaron's got the Bucks. All right, 3 more packs. Ryan Anderson, PG-13, CJ McCollum, Rudy Gobert, and Pelicans, and a Jonathan Isaac for the Magic. Pelicans AD style, AD version. This is not 2019, so there's no Zion in there. Does it really say factions? Buck stops with Aaron. Yes, you be careful though, Wyatt. Aaron lives in Missouri. It's kind of close to you. I'd be careful. You can come on over. Find you. Harrison Barnes, Kristaps Porzingis, Miles Turner, and another Frank Ntilikina, sorry. Kent Bazemore, out of 199, interesting. And a Dennis Smith Jr., interesting. I'm not sure how hard the Tatums are to pull out of here, or D. Mitchell. Closer to Tom. Are you not in the same city as Tom? Or you're just joking with me? And a Dennis Smith Jr., remember his dad, for the Magic. All right. Last pack of 2017. Got a Russell, Dangerous, Gary Harris, Brooke Lopez for the Lakers. I don't even remember him playing for the Lakers. Jordan Bell, the Warriors, Kent another Kent Bazemore. Isn't that what we just had? That's weird. 199 and 299. Whoever had the Hawks. Zach, you had the Hawks. And another Frank Ntilikina rookie card. So no D. Mitchell, no Tatum in this box. All right, we're going to go over to the 2019, and then that is it. So I'm going to put these guys to the side, and then get the 2019 box going. Yeah, no Fox either. Weird. And it's a rookie in each box, or each pack, so I'm not sure why. Where did my top loaders go? Top loaders. Oops. All right, let me get some top loaders. All right, good luck. Here we go for 2019. This is the last box ever of Status. I don't think prices have gone up quite a bit, so I don't think it makes sense to buy another case at this point. So we're gonna, play around with the Hoops Premium T-Mall that gets in next week, and then kind of go from there. All right. Oops. There's our empty box. Those are 10 packs. Okay, starting from the right side. Good luck, everybody. Good luck. Dog fur there. All right, so Dirk has the Pelicans. Drew has the Grizz. Goga Bitadze, Larry Nance Jr., PG-13. Giannis base, a Ricky Rubio, and a Glenn Rice. I almost said Derek Fisher for the Lakers. Glenn Rice for the Lakers. So this one we're looking for the numbered card in here, as well as the upper echelon. We've seen our fair share of Zion upper echelons, and I don't think we've seen a John Morant upper echelon yet. So maybe we can complete that today. Nice little Darius Garland for the Cavs again for Zach. Jackson Hayes. Oh, this is our rookie pack here. Robert Covington. Bruno Fernando. And a Goga. And a Cam Johnson. A lot of rookies in that little pack. Jackson Hayes, Darius Garland. Come on. So again, reminder, make sure you get your spots. I think 2 or 3 people have already gotten their spots in the Prism next week. So Spencer Dinwiddie, Eric Paschall. He had a good game the other night. Dwight Howard, Dennis Schroeder. Got a Kyrie, and we got an upper echelon. Ooh, a Luka. Who's got the Mavs? Wyatt. Wyatt, you got the Mavs. I thought this was like 100, 150 raw, if I wasn't mistaken. We've not seen a Luka yet, so this is the first Luka upper echelon we've pulled. Nice, Wyatt. That makes up for some stuff, right? Again, I think that's the first one we've seen for Luka. We've seen our share of Zions and Jaws. No, I think actually you should probably give it to my son, and he can use his marker. And he likes to use a Sharpie and draw mustaches on people. So this would be a great card if you want to give it to him, and he can draw some mustaches for you, Wyatt, and then we'll send it back to you, if that's okay, and write his name on it, if that works for you. Oh, what? So you really don't? I thought you guys lived in the same city. Karis Levert. I could have sworn, but I don't know. Kyle Guy for the Kings. Interesting. Joe Harris, Marvin Bagley, Keldon Johnson. He's doing good. That's a blue variation. You can kind of see the rain shimmer, and then a Paul Pierce, Celtics. All right. Gong Boy will put his autograph on the Luka. Pop this guy in a top loader. Keldon Johnson's doing good. Kyle Guy. I can have him try to spell Luka as well. He's learning how to read and write. Wyatt. All right. Lauri Markkanen. Nickeil Alexander-Walker. We'll see how he does. When Zion's out, he's on fire. Harrison Barnes. Josh Richardson. Brandon Ingram. And a Paul Pierce. Paul Pierce. I've played poker with Paul Pierce at the World Series in Las Vegas before. He is very into poker, as is Michael Phelps and some other guys. A lot of sports figures, I guess, are into that. All right. I think this is the second half. Blake Griffin, Terry Rozier, JJJ, Ayton. Got a D-Wade for the Heat, red, and there's your Tatum. Zach, not in the other box, though. No rookie card, unfortunately, but got Tatum here now. Oh, and then just a thought, I think in 2 weeks, I'll probably do an Illusions hobby box. That's what I'm thinking. Probably in 2 weeks, I'll probably bring those back. I kind of pulled them off for a while. So Miles Bridges, Jarrett Culver, nice rookie card. Aaron Baines, Victor Oladipo, Dylan Windler for the Cavs, and a Fred VanVleet for the Raptors, and that's a Zach. There you go. Jarrett Culver, 3 packs left. Where is Ja hiding, and where is Zion? I'm not sure if there's case hits in these. Who's Devonta Graham? So I guess that's a second-year card, and I assume that's a red wave as well. I assume that's a red wave. So Norman Powell, and those are, yeah, it's kind of rare to see those. Draymond Green, Karl-Anthony Towns, KAT, Malcolm Brogdon, Hassan Whiteside for the Blazers, and a Cam Reddish. Last 2 packs. I actually have a couple of Devonta Graham PSA 9s I picked up, so I've got like 10 or so of those I picked up last year at a very high price, which was a big mistake. So hopefully he breaks out. If not, I'll be giving them away later. Gordon Hayward. Oh, really? You're Kevin Garnett. Got it. Gordon Hayward. Oh! Who is this? Dirk? Are you still watching? That's our first Zion. Oh, and a Kobe right behind it. That's our first Zion base. We've only pulled the upper echelon. Really? Okay, Wyatt. Nice. So maybe it's just default that red wave. So. There you go, Dirk. Wake up. That's our first Zion base that we've pulled. I've yet to see one until today. And not bad that behind it is a Kobe White. For who has the Bulls? Zach. You're adding to your Kobe White collection, Zach. Can't complain. We've got Eric Bledsoe, Troy Brown Jr., and a Trae Young status symbols. Nice. 2 Zions for Dirk this weekend. I'll put Trae in a little top loader. Last pack. Good luck. Good luck. Marcus Smart, Eric Gordon, Fred VanVleet. What is up with the focus? I don't understand. Keldon Johnson rookie card, nice. Another Colin Sexton for Zach this time to 125, almost a jersey number, and a Luka Samanic. There you go, Zach. A little bit of action there. Nice second-year card for Colin Sexton and a Keldon Johnson rookie card. Nice. All right, we'll do a little recap, and then that is it for today. Apologize we ran pretty late. I think I'm going to have to do a different format in the future and probably open up all the packs and then stack them and then go. So I'll figure it out. So that way we kind of run on, stay on time. So, all right, here's a quick recap. I'll do a couple of these guys. All right, let's do this real quick, and then and that's it. All right, so here's a 2017 box. Got a Miami Heat to 149. Oops, sorry. Havlicek to 299. There's quite a few numbered cards in that 2017 box. And a Frank Ntilikina. How's it going, Justin? Frank Ntilikina. Kent Bazemore, 199 and a 299 numbered. Pelicans with the AD, Fear the Brow. Giannis, another Heat, but with old school Dwayne Wade, Alonzo Mourning, and Shaq, and a Bam Adebayo for Heat as well. Status box, Keldon, Colin Sexton to 125, Kobe White, Luka, and a Zion. So I think a Luka for Drew. No, not for Drew. Luka's for Wyatt, and then a Zion for Dirk. So, all right. Thanks, everybody. That is it. Oops. That is it for today. Apologize we ran late, but thanks for hanging out with us. Have a good weekend. Have a good rest of the weekend. Have a good rest of the weekend. Thanks, everybody.